Last week it was Bendeken, now it's Kupic, and I believe he is also a Serbian under. Definitely a battle to watch out for Amarilla versus Andres Aldeguer. Again, Aldeguer scored last week with a shot that took a deflection from outside the area, but he also got tracked by Aldeguer. Aldeguer using his pace. Muzinho looking for the diagonal. Muzinho, again, as mentioned earlier.
PFL weekend. Yesterday, Tuloy beat Don Bosco Garelli 3-0. And then
strong on these opening set pieces. Ball in behind looking for Muzinho. Over Custodio, but it's not like nothing happened. Here's Muzinho, Timor-Leste international. Still Aguema. And still goes for the cross into a dangerous corridor of uncertainty. Eventually it's cleared by Aguilas, but that's good play from Juan Taguig. It's quite... Yes,
try to reach, that younger community as well.
And 2-0 up against Aguilas Yumak. Oh, is that a penalty? Yumak FC, Matthew Custodio.
Top. And that's definitely a penalty. Muzinho time sliding tackle from Daisuke Sato to...
Late there from Aguemang, but the referee will play advantage. Here's Malik Javier. Custodio glued to him. Good. Strong bench from Hancock. Maybe a chance for Aguilas to get in behind Juan Taguig's back line. Early cross. Good goalkeeping. Touched by Amita. Early cross is played in. Open goal perhaps. Shot. Good save. So you do wonder if this is more injury related.